The memorandum in the Donald Trump defamation case for denying him a delay in the trial really showcases just how in bad faith that request actually was. The court on Friday night denied defendants' latest last-minute request to postpone the start of the trial, this time for a week, as the defendant planned to travel to Florida on Wednesday and attend his mother-in-law's funeral on Thursday. The court then stated that a memorandum would follow and now fulfills that promise. So, he says he can't go to the trial that starts on Tuesday because he needs to travel to Florida on Wednesday to attend his mother-in-law's funeral on Thursday. Now, remember those dates. On January 12, 2024, 3 days after the announcement of the death of Mrs. Trump's mother and the day before the defendant's request, his counsel informed the court by email that Mr. Trump would attend the trial. So, the mother is dead at this point. He will attend the trial. Now, mind you, he doesn't even have to show for this. The trial date in this case was set 7 months ago. A jury panel was summoned some time ago. A postponement would disrupt and inconvenient prospective jurors, counsel, court staff, and security arrangements, and likely cause other logistical and scheduling problems. Accordingly, the court denied the request, but noted that the defendant is free to attend the funeral, the trial, or both. And you'll notice that right after that, you have that little 2. And let's go to the 2 at the bottom. The court subsequently learned that Mr. Trump has scheduled a campaign appearance at 7 p.m. on Wednesday, January 17, 2024, in Portsmouth, New Hampshire. And the source for that is DonaldJTrump.com. So, Donald Trump tells them he can't be there for the trial start on Tuesday because he needs to travel on Wednesday to attend the mother-in-law's funeral on Thursday. But he said he would be attending the trial after her death, and it has been shown that he has a campaign appearance on Wednesday night in New Hampshire where he claimed he had to travel to Florida. At this point, I don't even know if he's going to show up to the funeral, other than the fact that he probably has to at this point to, not look like a complete ass. But then again, I could definitely see him showing up to the trial, just going to the trial, just to complain. Just to be able to stand outside and say, I should have been at the funeral. You could have been all along. In the event that the defendant rests his defense case sometime on Thursday, January 18th, subject only to Mr. Trump's testimony, the court would grant a continuance until Monday, January 22nd, for the purpose of hearing that testimony. So, yeah, he's still pushing that. I might not make another video on his actual, his speaking events today. I'm not sure, so I'll add that in for anyone still watching. I saw real quick some moments where he's just repeating a bunch of misinformation, of course, about the election, but he's really honing in on that immigrants have diseases. Yeah, that seems to be his new hateful approach. I'm not seeing anything from his camp really mentioning that this convoy that's going on exists, so I don't know if they'll try to tie themselves to it. I'm gonna guess no, especially because no one's making their name public.